Oh, he got my leg. Pretty sure Jason Statham and Mark Wahlberg fish here.
Yeah. Together?
Yeah.
Oh no, I did. Where's that from? Oh wait. Oh, I shit on your ass.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Are you joking me?
That's why I said it's like shit.
How did I sit? Where did I sit?
What did I say?
Alright, that's my line. I gotta figure this out. Here, take this. Switch me. Here's me. I was thinking, it smells like Cameron's breath. It's gotta be just his breath. Oh my god, I might as well just go rub my butt on the ground. Hopefully not another pile of shit. Title of this video is Shit on My Ass.
Oh man. Traffic. Look at my catfish.
Feeling kind of car sick. There's a Ford Maverick.
Yeah, he said pop the trunk when you're done making your $1 million rhymes, but there you go.
Try to get it under the bridge, maybe, Code. Nice.
I think it might be another sheep.
Here. There you go.
Yeah.
Let's go, Code.
Where'd you?
Yeah.
Probably what, 2 pounds?
There's a deep one.
Just a little one?
I don't think so. What's the channel? What's the little channel cat?
Oh. Nice little channel cat.
I think so, right?
Let me see, bring it up
It
close.
looks a little
Bring it
yellow.
up closer to me.
It looks yellow, but I don't know. It looks like a nice.
It's not that yellow. That looks like a channel cat.
It's just a tiny guy.
I don't know fishing. Yeah.
I know.
That's a little yellow.
That's a yellow catfish.
Here, let me see. Bring it closer. Oh, it's a little, what, quarter-pound yellow catfish? Where you at, Code? Over there? My cat's straight out. Might just need to wait it out.
It'll probably pass in a couple minutes.
Yeah.
Fishing in the rain. I didn't think it would work.
Fishing in a thunderstorm, part 1. If you really want catfish. Are you sure that's a catfish?
Yeah, channel cat. Another
Hold on,
channel.
hold on. If you can just bring it up without the net, let me know. If not, I'll net it.
He might spit it. I don't want him to spit it.
Okay, here, bring it. Where is he?
It's right there.
Here.
Ooh, that's a nice channel cat.
That is, look at that mouth.
Oh, man.
Here, lift him out, Cam. That's got a flat head. It looks like a bull shark,
Look at
kind
the
of,
back of his head, yo.
I know. Nice little catfish.
Oh, yeah, look, it spit it out right here. Look at it.
So what would you say is about a 2-pound channel cat?
Eh?
Yeah, right, eh?
Code, we have a monster on here. Did you say this is 1998 wire on here still too? No way.
Is it pulling slow but hard?
Yep.
That might be a carp.
Get the net ready, boys.
Yeah, I got it. It would have been nice to bring Dad's big net, eh? This is what happens when you're working with 10-pound test line. Gotta be careful.
Here, Code, can you hold my phone, please?
You want me to throw it back in the water for you?
No, my password's 555. I want a picture of this when it comes out. After we net it.
I have it on video right now.
I still want a picture though.
Have you guys seen it yet? Or is it
No.
No, we haven't seen it yet. Cameron's just being careful with it, I guess.
I just don't want to snap.
Yeah.
He's hooked good. I know that for a fact. I'll try to bring him up.
Well, that case, you got to be careful with it then.
Oh shit, he's coming. He's coming.
Oh, big catfish, big catfish.
Here, he's tired. Scoop him, scoop him, scoop him. Left and right. That's a nice fuck. Oh, that's nice.
Here, bring it over here. Bring it up here.
Yes.
Good job,
Holy.
Cam. Here, if you can put
Cam, just
use the towel and you can use the line
I'm just
and
gonna
hold
take
the
a
line.
picture.
Oh. Okay, but
Just gonna do a quick picture. Hold the rod. I want to get a good picture.
I feel like I've been spending most of this day running back and forth to Cameron, catching catfish. Catching catfish. All right, now me and Cody got to catch a couple 10-pound channel cats. Because the one guy's away and he's like, yeah, he's on leave. I'm in his place. He's like, the president's on leave? He's like, yeah, he's out.
Ice fishing in Alaska? Is that a bite? You got something cooking.
Let's go, baby.
You got your GoPro?
Yeah. Is it on?
Do you need a help? Do you need a net?
Yeah. Little yellow.
Alright. You got it.
Nice.
That's a nice size.
That's a nice, like, color
He's
to
like
it.
green. Yeah, he's like green. Oh, that's a gross looking one. You hear his noise?
Oh god, he's like croaking, eh?
Yeah, they do. Lots of them.
Really?
Yeah. Especially the yellow ones.
That's a nice little pound and a half.
And you would cook something like that, or do you want to?
I would want to try.
That one or the other one I cut. That or what?
I'd want to try yellow. I hear they're better.
All right, it looks
Look at the belly on him.
looks decent. That's awesome.
Oh yeah, there's something fairly sizable on here.
Okay.
I'll let you. Yeah, you might as well. Yeah, look.
Oh wow, it's big, really big. Fight it, Bill. Don't fight it like I did.
I know, Cam.
I'll walk it back if you need to.
Nice yellow. Got it?
Yep.
Good job.
I love this spot. Really do. Oh yeah. Oh. Really?
Just a little guy.
Catfish again?
Yeah, it feels like it.
It's literally the catfish honey hole.
I might have a bite. Just a little guy, you sure?
Grab the net.
Hey, might be a little bit big.
Oh yeah, net him. That's a nice one.
Whoa, he's feisty, dude.
Whoa.
Holy.
See, man, like, he felt.
Nice little yellow, man. Let's bring him up here.
than that sunfish I caught earlier.
I know, eh? That thing was feisty, eh?
Flashed me.
The fish are like, okay, bite. They're doing it now.
I want to hook him good. Okay, I think he's hooked.
So when they start looking.
Well, if you say Southern Ontario, people who watch YouTube might be more interested, like, because they live around.
No, I'm going to. I'm just
Well,
joking.
he's going into a snag, boys. I got to get him.
Anything biting that line, kid?
Okay.
He's going for a nice little run.
Yeah, he is.
Yeah, let him do his thing. I like how he gets so loose and then tight like that too. Like he's literally yanking it.
He is.
Yeah. Holy shit. Good thing we just adjusted that drag, eh?
Yeah, I would have lost this.
No.
I think he's trying to find weeds or something to like hide in and get me tangled in.
And see if you can't start like pulling him in.
Stepping back a bit. Watch the rocks behind you though if you do.
Because if he's not like taking drag anymore, he might be tired. I'm pretty sure.
All right, it's getting close.
Yo, your rod should be the one that set last night.
Oh, he bites. He's surfing. Oh yeah, that's a big channel cat, boys.
I don't know about that. The fin looked, it looked pretty speared.
Okay, I'm bringing it to you. Get in there. I don't want it to snap off.
The biggest one yet.
Bring it over here. Don't let him see the net.
Walk backwards to pull it.
Yeah, walk backwards, Cam. Walk backwards, Cameron.
All right.
Slowly
Net
walk back.
him.
Come on. I know.
Look at the noggin on that one.
Let's go, baby.
Oh.
Come this way. Come around this way.
Woo! Sheesh!
That's the biggest one of the day. That's what we came here for.
man.
Let's go.
That's at least ooh my.
That's got to be a nice 6. Like my wrist is hurting right now. I got little tiny. Got one.
I know. Let's just stay over here, Code.
We're definitely not looking at our rods, are we?
Yeah, there's nothing over there.
Watch them both.
Code, look at your rod actually. Just a little guy, I think. But we've been saying that all day. Oh, now it's pulling back, of course.
I mean, I don't know if he's big.
Yeah, hold on.
You think it's another yellow? This seems like your yellow
Yeah.
spot.
Oh my God.
Oh, it's a big one.
Here, take it. Let's go, baby. Holy, that's a bowfin. Oh,
It's a bowfin.
I almost snapped my rod. Sorry, Code.
It's okay.
Can you see if I snap my reel? Here.
I just got a soaker.
Let's
for
go, baby.
fucking right.
Got a
Yes!
bowfin. That thing's got teeth too, so we're lucky he didn't just jump and snap that thing right off.
Oh,
That's a little bit
wow.
smaller than the one I caught the other day and yours.
That's a nice.
That's probably a
looking,
nice 4-pound fish, and it felt like nothing, eh?
That's a nice looking fish.
That is.
He is feisty.
How did that thing feel small?
I don't know. Skinny brittle wrist, but that thing's gotta be 6 pounds. It's a nice fish. Wow. Let's go, baby.
That was, oh wow.
They look like a snake in the net, eh?
Yeah.
That is so cool, man.
From that spot too.
Now.